What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? You already know what time it is. It's car show time, boys. Pull up. Yo, this is our car lineup. Cars are still coming in. I think Diablos is getting one. Otherwise, that's Diablos' car right there, the fucking Liberator. Goddamn, Diablo fucking has to take up 2 parking spots. We got fucking Almighty's Voodoo, I think that is. I don't know what the hell that is. The Karen Intruder, that I know that for reasons. Because I basically know every fucking car in the damn game. We got this dope ass. What the fuck is he doing? Fucking drunk ass. We got the Dela Class Sabre Turbo. That is that purple car. That is the Tornado right there. And we have a little fucking Mini Cooper with the blacked out rims. And then we got my baby, the fucking Dragster right here. My muscle car, my Dela Class Sabre Turbo, and then there's just some random ass Mini Coopers over there. I think Diablo just pulled up in something. Oh my gosh, Diablo again? That's his only car show fucking car, like, for real, bro. Pick something else. Oh my gosh. Let's fucking put it. That asshole's shooting my car while I'm trying to fucking put the damn top down. Just get out of it, and the thing still goes. Oh my gosh, birds. Bitch got a Rari, that shit got no roof. You see, Diablo already knows. Who's this? Oh, that bitch. You top probably can't go down anyway. You guys should leave in the comments who won. I'm not gonna really tell you whose cars, other than the fact that I already did. But there is those 2 cars there that I never told you guys who owns them. So, we got my car, this purple one, purple and black Sabre Turbo. Definitely not my car, the Mini Cooper, the white one. And we got this sexy beast right here. I actually really think this car should win. I love that car right there, that fucking... I actually want to keep that car for myself. Beautiful. I love it. Sabre Tornado, I think, or something. The fucking Intruder is just some gay little piece of shit. It's a fucking the Sultan shitty cousin. Like that ugly as hell. But whatever. And then there's this guy's, I think this is a Voodoo. I honestly think that there's the Almighty's Voodoo, and then there's Diablos's. Actually, I'm gonna have to give him some extra. What the fuck is that dickless bastard doing with that car? This Diablo. I'm gonna have to give him some extra points for the money tires. And then with the Liberator, man, yeah. So you guys should leave in the comments below who you think won, and I'll tell you right now, that's, what the fuck did he do to the damn car? Yo, that's not even his car.
I mean, that's what. What do you want? What do you want for that? I didn't shoot it. I don't care.
Definitely isn't my car. There it is, the Della Class Tornado. Such a sexy ass car. Leave it in the comments below if you think I should buy this car. It's sexy as fuck. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, damn thing. Oh, we got some new contenders, bruh. Yo. Who the hell is in this car? Why are the lights on? You know, black. Yeah, this car is at over there. Where'd the truck go? Fucking Blackie just made an appearance with his truck and then disappeared. Really, bro? You just leave it in the comments below who you think won. We did have a last minute contestant as Blackie Chan. Or wait, if Blackie Chan is over there, then who the fuck is in the damn garage? What? I swear it was Blackie that was in the garage. But, okay. Honestly, I think that Diablo, I'm gonna have to dock you some points, bro, for having the damn same car at the last car show and shit, too. What the fuck are these idiots doing? What the fuck? You are all idiots. Okay, fucking make me dizzy. But I don't know, I think that Tornado comes in first. Then that purple one over there, and then Diablos' car. Although that truck may beat out Diablos' car if it's actually in the fucking Los Santos. Diablo. That fucking piece of junk over there should come in last place though. Is it the truck? Oh, it's one of these. It's a blade. Oh. We got a last minute entry from a blade. Damn. A blade and a Diablo. Awesome. Okay, so there's that last minute entry right there. So you guys should leave it in the comments below. Diablo just puts up his... Yeah, I love the top on Diablos' car though. Like that chrome top. Bro, that shit nice. We're gonna have to give him extra points. He might beat out the fucking Turbo, but not the Tornado. You guys leave it in the comments below who you guys think won. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you appreciate this video and the time it goes into making it. And I will see all you guys and girls next time. Along with all you crazy little fuckers.